What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time here. My name is Jessica. I am a mother of three boys, very close in age. So right off bat, if you don't like kids, you're not gonna like me. So I have a really exciting video for you guys today. Just something super creative and colorful and just super stunning. So obviously this is the look. I'm just gonna be doing the eyes in this video for you guys because I didn't want the video to be too long, but I mean my last video was like super short because I kept like drifting out of frame. If you guys want to see how I created this beautiful look, then you already know what to do. Just keep on watching. I already primed my eyelid with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2, of course. Going in with my Carnival Extra Large Pro palette. I'm going to start by taking this shade right here called Reckless. So I'm just going to pack this into this half of my eye. Alright, as I was saying, I have to keep stopping because my baby, man, my baby. So I'm just packing this color Reckless down, and I'm only going to take it halfway. I'm going to keep this whole other half open. So let's see. So I'm probably just going to take it like... So I'm just packing the color down, and then I'm going to start to really flare this out. When I'm smoking this out, especially like when I like to do very flared out looks, I always like to bring it under my eye just to make sure I'm bringing it out enough. When I first started doing my makeup, my biggest problem is I was starting the crease from like up here when I need to start from down here, if that makes sense. So for like this look to really fit my eye, I need to make sure that I'm dragging it from under my eye so I have a nice solid line and it matches my face, my eye shape and stuff like that. Now that that's blended out, I just cleaned it off my pants. Trying to stop doing that. Okay, so next I'm going to take this blue right here called Mood. These two colors, everything. Fucking everything. So these are going to be the darkest colors that I use. So I'm just going to start to blend this right into here. I mean, just look at that color. Oh my god. Now I'm going to go back in with Reckless to make sure that these are... Look at that. They are married. They are a happy little family. Now I'm going to take this pinky kind of shade called In Lust. Okay, so now going in with In Lust, I am going to start to buff out this shade with it. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush just for these edges. Next, I'm going to take this blue right here called Make Waves. Oh, I'm hungry. That bitch is hungry. Next, I'm going to take some of Showboat. Can you see how the blue is now blended higher than that red? Go back in and make sure that these are meeting each other. Lastly, for the blue side, I'm going to take this light blue called Why Though. Now I'm going to take this peachy pink color called Foolish. The lightest color on the pink side. So I'm just gonna really layer this on. Not layer it on. I'm really gonna buff this pinky color in, and then I'll go in and deepen everything up. Okay, so now I'm going to go in through all of my colors, starting from darkest to lightest on both the like maroon pink side and also on the blue side as well. Want these to look really good, so I'm going to go into my Carnival 2 palette, and I'm going to take just a little bit of Lilac and Tahiti just right here, just to make that blend really seamless. It just goes a little bit easier from blue to purple to pink. The purple wasn't planned, but the purple is what's going to make it go so seamless. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out my crease really quickly. I will be right back. 3 years later. So I went in with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Number 1, which is significantly lighter. What I'm gonna actually do, I'm gonna start by going in with the white, and then I'm gonna go in with this light blue. I'm gonna go in with this light blue, and then I'm gonna go in with this blue, and then I'm gonna go in with these two blues. I'm gonna take this purple shimmer orchid. I'm gonna take that purple shimmer. And I'm going to put a line, clean up the line, then I'm going to pack down the white and all those blues, but I forgot. I'm going to do the purple line first, that way I could clean it up, and you'll see why. So I'm going to take a glitter glue pigment primer. Okay, so that's pretty thick line. So now I'm gonna go in with more of my P. Louise base. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some more of my P. Louise base as a liner. Then I'm going to take the shade Reckless, which is the red shade that I used on this side, the darkest shade. Now, right where that white line is, I'm going to go ahead and put more of the shade Orchid. This is just about it for the eyes. Not quite sure what I'm going to do as far as lashes or under my eyes goes just quite yet, but I'm sure, as you guys have seen in the intro, looks good. Just kidding. But I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup, and we could come back and finish up the eyes. So I just finished up my face. I went a little heavy on the blush, and I'm livid. So I decided for under my eyes, I'm going to stick with the Maroon and Pink since this is all blue. So I'm going to take Reckless. So I'm going to take Reckless. And I am going to just bring this in here. I'm going to take my Illuminati gel paint liner in Electric Pink. I'm going to go in and just buff this in. And I'm going to go into In Lust. And I'm going to just blend this right out with that color. Then I'm going to take Foolish. I'm still going to take it on the fluffy brush because I want to be able to. I'm going to take a little bit of Pink Me, which is the white with shimmer in it. Which I'm pretty sure is pink shimmer. Use this to highlight my brow bone. Again, I'm not sure which lashes I'm going to use, but I'm gonna finish up this eye, throw on my lippy, you know, get ready, cause bitch. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do all the final touches as far as my makeup goes, you know, my outfit and everything like that, and then we can come back and see everything all put together. here we have the completed look. My kids are shooting each other, so ignore that. But yeah, so here is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really had a good time doing this. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I'm living for the freaking blush, like hella blush. Oof, I'm living. But yeah, that's just about it. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.